Hari Om. Welcome to the Shiva Samhita class. Today we are going to learn 5 shlokas, 12 to 16. Shlokas. Jnanapravaha ityanye shunyam kechit param viduhu द्वावेव तत्त्वं मन्यन्ते अपरे प्रकृतिपूरुषो अत्यन्त भिन्नमतयः परमार्थपराङ्मुखाः एवमन्येतु सञ्चिन्त्य यथा मति यथा श्रुतं निरीश्वरमिदं प्राहुः स्वेशरञ्च तथा परे वदन्ति विविधैर्भेदैः सुयुक्तया स्थितिकातराः एते चान्ये च मुनयः सप्ज्ञाभेदा पृथग्विधाः शास्त्रेषु कथिता ह्येते लोकव्यामोहकारकाः एतद्विवादशीलानां मतं वक्तुं न शक्यते भ्रमन्त्यस्मिन् जनाः सर्वे मुक्तिमार्गबहिष्कृताः ज्ञानप्रवाह इति अन्ये शून्यं केचित् परं विदुः द्वौ एव तत्त्वं मन्यन्ते अपरे प्रकृति पुरुषौ. In this sloka, different views of Sankhyas, Dvaitins, then Buddhas, then other Advaitins views. Jnana Pravaha idi anye. Jnana Pravaha means knowledge. Prajnanam Brahma. Brahman means Jnanam. Generally, Advaitins and other agamites believe in this doctrine. Shunyam kechid param viduhu. Shunyam, emptiness. Kechid param viduhu. Some others considered this shunya is supreme. Dvaveva tattvam manyante apare. Apare, others consider. Two tattvas, Ishvara and Jagat, Jiva, Ishvara. This type of Dvitvam generally put forward by Dvaitins and others. But Prakriti Purusha Sankalpa is put forward by Sankhyas. Atyanda bhinnamatayah. Atyandam matam means views. Bhinnamatam means different views. Atyanda bhinnamatayah means extreme different views about Paramartha, supreme being, and their parangmukha. They are turned away from the reality. They never accept the supreme reality. Evam anye, likewise others, sanchintya, by thinking, yadhamadi, yadhashrutam, according to their understanding and education, they believe in their own ways and in the direction. Nirishwaram idam prahu. Some sects, generally materialists and Charvakas, says that Nirishwaramidam, there is no God. They never accept the existence of God. But some others, Swesharanja Tathapare. Sweshara means accept the existence of God. We know that generally there are Shad Mataha, Shanmatam, established by Shankaracharya. Shaiva, Shakteya, Vaishnava, Ganapatya, Sauram, etc. So, Swesharanja Tatha Apare Vadanti Vividaihi Bhetaihi. Vivida Bhetaihi means different views. Suyuktaya Sthitikaataraha. They put forward their own arguments with document evidence. Ede cha anye cha munayah sapnyabhetaah prithagvithaah shastreshu kathitaah. Hi ete loga vyamohakarakaah ete cha anye cha munayah. And the above mentioned sects and other munis, sages, sapnyabhetaah prithakvithaah shastreshu katitaah. They have established their own arguments in different prithakvithaah, different ways, different narrations. Sapnyabhetaah. Sapnyabheda means different terms. By using technical terms, different technical terms, they have narrated in their own shastras. Hi ete. All these arguments actually loka vyamoha karakaha. It is actually leads to the confusion. Because which is correct, which is not correct, it's very difficult to follow generally for common people. So, in this situation, etatu vivadashilanam matam. This type of vivadashilanam matam means argumental type of views. Vaktum nashakyate. Not able to establish this view is correct or this view is not correct. Hence, janaha brahmanti. People are in delusion. And as the result, sarve mukti marga behishkritaha. They are actually deviated from the path of liberation. Why? Because of these different views put forward by different sages or acharyas. See, in this connection, there are generally two types of knowledge. Veda and Agama. Veda Saram and Agama Saram. Agamas means devotional cults like Shaiva, Shakteya, Vaishnava, Kaumara, Ganapatya, etc. The basic teachings of the Agamites or Tantra do not much differ from the other philosophies in India. They are non-dual, Advaita in their essence. But in place of Atman or Brahman of Vedanta, they accept or considered Shiva or Devi or Vishnu as supreme principles. They actually, the origin of this Tantra, we could see developed from Veda and Upanishads. And in fact, they do not deviate from the teachings of these Vedas. Like Vedanta, the Tantra has its own followers in the true spirit of inquiry and the realization of the Brahman in the form of Shiva or Vishnu or Devi. Here, there are different ways. But thing is, generally, people are not seriously following any one sect. In this text, mainly three jnanas, Tantra Jnana, Vedanta Jnana and Yoga Jnana is going to discuss. And the essence of this knowledge system we will discuss next classes. Today, let's finish our class. Thank you.